Have you ever heard that learning a new skill will take you 10,000 hours? Well, only hearing that will stop you and scare you from starting to learn anything. But the truth is, your first and real breakthrough will come after 20 hours only. This is called the rapid learning phase. You will get a huge return on the little effort you put because your brain is primed to spot mistakes and adjust behaviors when you are learning a new skill. In this 20-hour window, your brain will learn very fast, and every try you make will rewire your brain into an easier and more successful try in the future. In his TED Talk, The First 20 Hours, Josh Kaufman gives us 4 steps into learning a new skill. First step, deconstruct the skill. Second step, learn just enough to self-correct. Third step, remove practice barriers. And fourth step, practice at least 20 hours. The first step is to deconstruct the skill. So you need to break down the skill into smaller pieces and understand which pieces of this skill that you really want to learn as a start. Second step is to learn just enough to correct yourself, which is gather enough information so you can spot your own mistakes and correct them, but don't exaggerate with how much information you gather. The third step is to remove practice barriers. So make it easy for yourself to practice. If you are practicing the guitar, put the guitar near you so you can practice anytime you have some free time. But if the guitar is hidden somewhere, it will feel like a challenge to go and get the guitar. So make it easy for yourself to practice your new skill. The fourth step is to put at least 20 hours on this new skill. So dedicate 40 minutes per day for a whole month on this new skill and embrace the challenge and the failures along the way, because that is how you will learn. And after 20 hours, you will get a breakthrough and you will know that you have learned a new skill. So your challenge is to pick a new skill and follow those 4 steps and see how this will transform your understanding of learning a new skill.